So you probably don't know this, but every 10 seconds, 1.5 million plastic bags is used around the world. According to the worldcounts.com, we are using 160,000 bags every second globally. You might think, so what? But this really impacts our environment. TheAtlantic.com states that plastic bags have only been around since the late 1970s in America. This being said, scientists had to conduct tests known as respirometry in order to determine the biodegradability of the bags. According to sciencelearn.org, it takes around 500 years and longer for one plastic bag to decompose. Now, when I say decompose, I don't mean completely disappear from our Earth. There are still small particles left over that are toxic to our environment. One of these particles is known as bisphenol A, otherwise known as BPA, as disclosed by ngm.nationalgeographic.com. TheWorldCounts.com also states that there's a floating landfill in the Pacific Ocean known as the Great Pacific Garbage Patch. I have a photo here showing just how large it is. It is twice the size of Texas, which means it's almost 540,000 square miles of pure garbage floating around. I also have a photo here. It's a closer look. 2 boats. It looks like they're on land, but they are actually sitting on the garbage patch in the middle of the Pacific Ocean. It has become very common to find incidences where animals are being harmed by these bags. According to OneGreenPlanet.org, there was a whale found dead in Spain. The leading cause of death was a blockage in its intestines of 37 pounds of plastic waste. Another incident listed on theworldcounts.com states a sperm whale was found dead washed up on the beach in California in 2008. The leading cause of death for this whale was over 48 pounds of plastic waste in its stomach. Here I have a photo of a sea turtle approaching a plastic bag. I have read that they misinterpret the bag as being a jellyfish. TheWorldCounts.com also states that most of these incidences occur because animals mistake the waste as food. So about 100,000 whales, seals, sea turtles, and marine life are killed every year by plastic bags worldwide, according to Planet Ark, which is an international environmental group. These bags are produced with natural gases, toxic chemicals, and it makes it very harmful to the environment in both production and decomposition. You might have heard or seen from your Kohl's or your festival food store on their bags, and it says, please return to a participating store for recycling. However, less than 3% of bags are ever recycled, as stated by theworldcounts.com. I think one of the problems with that is, down here in small print, programs may not exist in your area. Now I know my Walmart does not have the recycle program, and neither does my Kohl's. My Festival Foods does. It's evident that plastic bags are causing a lot of harm. Less plastic bags would mean less harm to our marine animals. Less pollution. I also have a photo of a fawn here with a plastic bag in its mouth, just to show that it's not only affecting marine animals. Our solution is clear here. Use reusable bags. They prevent on the waste, which prevents animals from consuming them by accident and dying. Here I have a Piggly Wiggly bag I bought over 5 years ago, and it's still brand new. I paid $2.99 for this bag. Otherwise, other options are TJ Maxx or Marshalls. They have great deals on their bags. I've seen a lot of them for 99 cents. And then also when I go to Aldi, I usually take this big tote bag or my Victoria's Secret bag and fill it up there. The only thing is you have to remember to put them in your car before going to the store. So I know sometimes it's hard to remember, hey, bring my bags with me. But is it really worth the convenience of ruining our planet?